President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, on your mandate we stood. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, allow Rivers APC to breathe. We are saying that we are tired of being suffocated as members of APC in Rivers State. Yes. We suffered for this party. Yes. Since 2015, a family of Chief Adube, more than 8 people were wiped off from the planet Earth because they identified with the APC. President Bola Tinubu, you came with the former president in course of the campaign in 2015, and you visited various hospitals to commiserate with those that were injured in course of campaigning for the APC. Exactly. You were stoned in this state in course of our stand for you to be members of the APC. Today, people who maimed members of the APC, people who stood against the survival of the APC are benefiting from where they did not sow. Yes. And we are saying no.
We were here when the president, in company of other leaders of our party, came to Rivers State to ask us to join the APC movement, and we obliged. Ever since we have worked so hard for this party, paid sacrifices, we have lost our members in the course of defending this party and projecting the progressive ideology. We are surprised at this point. The president has ascended the office. PDP members are benefiting from our labors. It is now a case of monkey they walk, babu they chop. We are saying no to that. We are saying no to that. We know that the president is a party man who understands the importance of reward and party loyalty. We are calling on Mr. President to look into this matter and review those appointments. We are also inviting the president to embrace the constitution of the party. Article 9, subsection 3 of the APC constitution clearly states that all APC-led governments must give priority to members of the party in appointment into boards, parastatals, and agency of government. Sure. Mind you, we understand that the president has the prerogative to appoint whoever he wants. But in exercising such prerogative, the president should do so in fairness to the party. We are saying that by appointing PDP members in the state, you are strengthening the PDP and weakening your own party.
Mr. President, I just want to ask, where is the reward for loyalty? Are you telling us that it is now a crime to be members of APC? Are you telling us that we will suffer and another man will inherit? Even the Bible says that he that works is worthy of his wages. Yes. We have worked and we are worthy of the wages. Mr. President, giving juicy positions to opposition members is as good as telling them to destroy us completely. What if tomorrow they no longer share your ideology and they decide to fund their party? What then happens to your party? Mr. President, you're a man of wisdom. We call on you to use your fatherly wisdom and rescind those appointments and ensure that APC members are appointed into these key positions so that we would strategize and re-strategize and build our party and ensure we are strong, remembering that there's still 2027 because we believe that the renewed hope will continue 4+4.